This video contains everything you need to know about how I get to couple this top, this loafers top, and it's going to be a detailed kind of video, so just relax, enjoy yourself while you take the watch. Don't rush it, don't rush to go out of the video. Make sure you calm down and watch to the end and see how I get to couple up the top of this loafers shoe from my pattern. Here I have my vamp, then I have the material I'll be using, then we'll be tracing now. So all you have to do, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, copy the link of this video and share. Also drop your comments. If you have questions, I entertain questions in the comment section, so don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section. If there's any part you don't understand and you really want to reach out to me in a private chat, just chat me up using my number 09035539885. If you're outside Nigeria, add my country code +234 9035539885. Now I'm using my vamp to trace. Now remember, you're tracing your left and right. I've already done that. Then you'll be flipping to have your left leg. Now I'm tracing my shoe apron. Of course, you have to flip also. That is what I just did. So once you trace, you're going to cut it out. Now we have the back cover for the heel cap. This is the heel cap. Now get to trace this heel cap left and right. So everything you're tracing here, it's going to be in pair. You're tracing in pair. So what we have here is a complete set of tracing for this amazing loafers shoe. Of course, we have the belt, and we have the belt here. They're tracing. So you're going to see everything in this video. Please do not rush out of the video. Make sure you stay to the end, like the video, share, copy the link, ask your questions, reach out to me using my WhatsApp line 09035539885. Now I'm trying to cut, so the video per se is divided into sections. We have the tracing, we have the cutting, we have the assembling, we have the stitching, we have the padding, and also we have I think the padding, then stitching again. So that's it's we can classify all of those into assembling and stitching. Okay, so let's do it together. Don't go away, like I said. So I'm using my scissors to cut, carefully cut out my shoe apron. That's what I'm doing now. I have my shoe apron cut. Alright, so for those of you that are asking, that stuff I just cut is my shoe apron. Now I have the belt. Okay, now you check. This is how I'm trying to cut out the design on the belt. Okay, so you fold it into two cuts using your scissors. You cut, then you follow it gradually. Just have a perforation, then you use your scissors to cut it, following your tracing line. Same thing I'm doing here. It's amazing. Don't forget to like, please. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to drop a comment, ask your questions if you feel you want to encourage us with your comment. Just drop a comment for me. Tell me what you feel about this video. Tell me what you feel about the explanation. You can copy my WhatsApp number up and reach out to me on WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm trying to assemble now. I'm assembling these tops. So you have to fold the vamp and the shoe apron into two equal half. Get the midpoint. That's what I'm doing. Get the midpoint. Then you will rub your adhesive on the tip. Alright, now I'm using the rough part. You're rubbing the gum on the rough part of your shoe apron, while on the vamp you are rubbing it on the main part, but just at the tip, right around the area of the shoe apron. You rub allow it for drying, then you place. Now this is how we place. Carefully you place to the middle. That is why you have to centralize. Okay, place carefully, add pressure, then alright, now we are going to stitch. Stitching using your sewing machine, you stitch alright round. I'm stitching once here. If you wish to stitch twice, it's fine, but I'm using once. I just have my settings, so I stitch once. Alright, make a knot. Once you're done stitching, all you have to do is take it to your padding. Your padding material now is what will give you the interior of your shoe. Alright, so I'm trying to trace my padding material. So once I trace, I'll add my sewing allowance. Of course, that's my sewing allowance there. I add my sewing allowance, and then I cut out. Alright, carefully cut out along the tracing line, cut it out, then you go for sewing. Right, watch what I'm doing carefully. So once you're done cutting it out, you have to fold it into two, so along your sewing allowance. Alright, your tracing line, you're sewing it. Watch what I did, how I get to sew this. Watch carefully. Once you're done doing that, you have to cut the allowance. Alright, the extra space, cut it out, make a perforation, then you rub gum to open it up. Alright, rub gum to open it up, just for you to have a tube kind of shape. Alright, now you open it up. That's what I'm doing. Watch, open it up carefully, then you add pressure. Now you're going to join the vamp. Now for you to have a shape, a shoe shape, you're going to join the vamp. Now I'm trying to sew or stitch my heel cap. Right, for you to get a curve, stitch it. After that, apply gum. Now we have the tracing, the shoe heel cap on the vamp already. So this tracing now will guide you on how to rub your gum so that you don't have stains on your work. Alright, remember your finishing is very important to you, so we're going to rub gum to place our heel cap. Alright, now if you are lost, check the picture of the shoe on the screen. That is what you're trying to do. If you want to reach out to me, reach out to me using my WhatsApp number 09035539885, 09035539885, +2349035539885. Okay, if you wish to send us data, if you wish to send us money, if you wish to just encourage us with your message or your comment, just reach out to us using that number. Alright, now I'm open to support. I'm open for support. My business is still a baby business, so I'm open for support. I'm open for investors. I'm open for help. So wish to help me, I'm open for that. So reach out to me using my number 09035539885. Alright, so let's continue. Now once you're done with your shoe pad, you're going to rub gum around the region you traced. Now to the front. Okay, that's the around the shoe opening now, or the shoe neck or the throat, you have to rub the gum wide a bit. Now watch, that's what I'm doing. Then you rub on the shoe apron area, then to the back or the top line, you're going to rub it just at the tip of the top line. Okay, carefully you're going to rub. Alright, carefully. Yeah, so you join the two together, then you cut it out. Alright, cut along the line. Now the shoe opening, you're not going to cut it, you're only cutting the top line exactly, but for the shoe apron, leave some space, some sewing space. And we're going to add our turnover now, because our shoe will be having a kind of turnover, a pipe. So we're going to pipe or turn over the shoe top line. That's what I'm doing. Watch. Now here, some people might be asking for the measurement I use. Depending on the size of the shoe, alright, get what is long enough to round it up. Then for the wideness, I used wideness of a ruler. Alright, the wideness of a ruler, so you can check it out yourself how many centimeter it is. Ruler wideness, okay, meter rule wideness. Alright, it's okay. So carefully you do that, then apply. You have to apply your gun from the inside. Remember, you're applying your gun from the inside. Apply your gun from the inside on the tip of your top line. The same thing on the belt you cut. Alright, so allow for drying, then add it up, join them together, then you stitch. Once you stitch it, you add your gum, allow it for drying, then you turn over. I'm going to be doing all of those things, so watch out. Let's cut it out, stitch. I'm stitching already. Alright, so watch, stitching just at the tip, stitch round. Okay, stitch round from one point to the other, your top line. Alright, your top line, make a knot. Okay, you're done. Then you rub your gum, carefully rub your gum. Okay, allow for drying, then you turn it up, turn it over. Alright, watch where I'm rubbing my gum. Right, carefully watch, allow for drying, then you turn it over, turn it over, turn it over. This is what we have to turn over from the inside to the outside, and then you're turning over from the inside to the outside, so that you have a uniform kind of color. Alright, so that's what you have. Turn over. After you turn over, then you stitch. You're stitching from this point to the other, then you add this belt, stitch round, add the belt and stitch.